I'm going to show you how to make snow ice cream. So you want to grab a big bowl of fresh snow. And then you're going to come inside and you're going to mix your sugar and your vanilla in your milk. Stir until your sugar is dissolved. Then pour your milk mixture into your snow. And you're going to stir for anywhere between 1 to 3 minutes. It depends on how wet your snow is. And you're just going to stir until it turns into ice cream. This recipe is in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, on page 472. You can take a picture right now, or the link is in the description below at livingonadime.com. So that's it. Simple snow ice cream.
That's really good.
I think I could eat this all day.
You can eat it all day?
So good.
Especially vanilla.
Especially chocolate. Disclaimer, yellow snow does not mean that it's lemon flavored.
Making peppermint snow ice cream. The first thing you want to do is collect your snow. So I just scoop it off the top like this. If you want, you can use a big spoon like that. It's a bit brisk, Dave, don't you agree?
A little bit.
Just slightly.
My hands are cold.
This outside. Sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm getting just a little bit of the sweetened condensed milk out. And then I have my peppermint flavoring right there. I'm just going to mix my peppermint flavoring and the rest of the sweetened condensed milk just so it gets a little bit more evenly distributed. Oh, that smells so good. All right. You know what? I forgot. I should have smashed up my peppermints. Oops. I know what I'll use. I got something else I can use. Leftover from Christmas. Okay. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you are loving these snow recipes, could you please share them today? Please share them right this second, because the entire country is getting snow right now. And I bet a lot of people back east, like in Virginia, West Virginia, that don't normally get snow. My pastor's from there, and he was joking around about how they don't ever get snow, but here in Wyoming, he's learned to adapt and overcome. But if you could share so that all those people back east can know they can make snow ice cream. It is super good while all the kids are off school. Okay, now, it's not gonna look like it's coming together. You're like, Tara, this is not snow ice cream. No, just keep going and stirring. I am gonna get a smaller spoon though. Didn't really need a spoon that big. Okay. And just keep going and going. Now, before you do this, if you want to crush up some peppermints and have peppermints in there, you can. Getting closer. See how it's starting to turn into more of an ice cream consistency? Just keep stirring. Now, you can smash up some peppermints, but I have these peppermint flavored sprinkles that I'm going to use also, left over from Christmas. Okay, now it's starting to get ice cream consistency. See how it's that ice cream consistency now? All right. Now, if you want to get real fancy schmancy, then my peppermint sprinkles. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, nobody's, well, they are home, but I don't know if they want to taste test. So here we go. Oh my goodness. That tastes just like the peppermint ice cream in the store. Oh, okay. I think that's my favorite ice cream of all time. Yum. They're darn tootin' good. I'm making homemade chocolate snow ice cream now. I ran out of Hershey's, so I just whipped me up some homemade Hershey's here. It's still hot, don't worry. It will be fine. But it thickens up. I know it looks really watery right now, but I just made it so it will thicken up as it cools. So if you want a great homemade Hershey's to save a ton of money, my goodness, Hershey's is like almost $5 a bottle now. It is absolutely ridiculous. And you can make it homemade for, probably $1 for the same amount that you get in the store. And I would say about a cup and a half of Hershey's. You'll just have to watch and see how chocolatey it gets. You can just add the Hershey's if you want, but if you want to make it more creamy, so with the Hershey's, it's like an ice milk. Do you guys remember ice milk? They used to make it all the time. But now, I don't know that they make it as much. But if you want a creamier consistency, just add your milk, your cream, your half and half, whatever you want. Just keep mixing until it's all mixed together. Here is your chocolate ice cream. Oh my goodness. This stuff is so yummy. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Okay, now if you want a variation on this, my little nut chopper here that I love, okay, just put the nuts up here and then it chops down here. Sprinkle in your almonds. You've got chocolate almond ice cream. Oh my goodness, let's see. Oh my goodness. That is so darn tootin' good. 10 out of 10.